Hi everybody, it's Patti and Debbie from Print and Pixel Studio, and today we have this little set for Halloween we thought was kind of cute, and so we're going to list it on our Etsy site today. It'll also be probably over on Kofi as well. Anyway, what it is it's a set. The main part of the set are these little treat bags, which we thought were pretty cute. And we've got candy in there now. We have to do this video fast because we're eating the candy.
I don't even like candy corn.
I don't either.
Eating it, I feel sick.
We have this thing where every Halloween, because we have a tendency to eat all the Halloween candy, we try to buy, when we give it, we try to buy something we don't like. You'd be surprised how many things you learn to like.
We eat it anyway.
Anyway, these are the little treat bags that we're doing, and there's 6 of them in this set, and they're pretty cute, we think, and they would make really cute for, like, I know our one granddaughter at her school, she has to take little treats for Halloween and stuff, and so she's going to take these bags filled with stuff. I guess I'll show you how they come first, and then I'll show you how easy they are to put together. And our grandkids have been putting them together, so they're pretty simple. You get, like I said, 6 different patterns in the bag. You get the little witch with the cats, and the bat, he's cute, and the little crow sitting on a pumpkin, or jack-o'-lantern, I guess he is. And then you get the little scary cat. And this is how they'll come to you. Just each one on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and they're very easy to cut out. And there's a real fine little fold line that you just fold along, so you know it's pretty simple. And this is a cute one, the little witch's house with the cat and the pumpkins. And another little witch and her little cat in the basket. And then besides the treat bags, you also get some fussy cuts, and these are the same size as you see here on the treat bags. So if you wanted to make tags or a card or maybe some kind of like Halloween banner or bunting, these would be great for that. And if you wanted them smaller, you just reduce them down when you go to print them. Just, you know, on the printer, put 75% or 50% or whatever, however far down you want to go, and it'll shrink them down. So you get the 4 designs you see here, and then you also get these guys, as well as the candy corn basket, and then these are the little stickers that we're going to put on them, and they're cute. And then you also get 2 little buntings in case you're going to do cards or tags or something. So,
I said they're super cute.
Super cute. So anyway, like I say, they're pretty simple to put together. You just follow the little line here, a little fold line, and there you go. And then fold the tab over. And the nice thing about these is they leave enough room for treats inside. They're not super flat like some of the little envelopes are. And then on the bottom you just turn up that little flap. Let's see, I had a piece of cardboard. Oh, here he is. The glue on it. All right, then you just take a little of your whatever kind of glue you want to use. Here I'm going to use the stick glue. And just ink up now they're making a mistake already. Oh, you emptied the trash.
What do you need?
A piece of scrap paper to put down here so I don't get glue. That's what happens if you hang with somebody who's too tidy. Just a piece, any kind of piece of scrap paper.
This is gonna.
No, it's okay. I just wanted to tear a piece off. Oh, sorry. We're tidy around here lately. Come on. Okay, so anyway, I usually just put a little, what am I doing? Piece of scrap paper underneath the place where I'm going to ink, and that way it keeps it off the main part of your,
Where you
yeah,
got
glue.
glue.
See, you got me all worked up now. Okay, now here's the secret to this. First thing you want to glue is the side, and I find that it works the best if you line up your corners. Let me make sure I'm in the camera here. If you line up your corners at each end, and then you should be able to glue this right down. Should. I've made 100 of these now. And, yeah, okay. He's not coming on right. Okay. Yeah, you should be able to do this. Okay, line up your corners on this, and then, come on, buddy. Hopefully they're not sticking. I just made 20 of these. How come it's not working? Okay, and then press the center part down. Now, it'll seem kind of bumpy and bulky, but don't let that bother you, because what is, oh, I know what I'm, no, that's right. Okay, because you need that, I can't believe this. I just made a ton of them. I think I will start a new hobby. I just made all these and now I can't get it to work. Okay, hang on. It really is easy, believe me. If the grandkids could do it, I should be able to. Well, I don't know. They're a lot more talented than I am. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. All right, so turn this little guy over and line up his edges here before you do anything with the bottom part of it. There it goes. Okay, so you just want to make sure that you carefully line up the edges. If it's not exact, it won't hurt anything, but the reason I say that is because you don't want to lose all the room that you have inside the tag, or inside the bag. And then just squeeze down on your bottom flap there, and it should close fine. I'm a little off on this one, so I'll just trim him a little bit, but that's no big deal. Okay, that way you make sure that you maintain the fullness of your bag so you have room to put treats in. Like I say, it's not usually this difficult, but scissors. God. We need to get Debbie a hobby. She's getting too clean. Okay. So anyway, I just have a little bit left here. We just trim this up a little bit on the bottom. Won't hurt anything. Yeah. And then ink it. If you want to. You don't have to ink it, but I kind of like the effect that it gives. And like I was saying, these are fun to make with the kids too. Our grandkids were out here yesterday making some of these. So they're going to give them at school, which is kind of cool.
Well, first they wanted to make them for the neighborhood.
Oh yeah, they wanted to give them out in the neighborhood. No, maybe not. I mean, not that we wouldn't want the kids to have them, but geez, how many would you have to make, you know?
I know. In our neighborhood, we have a lot of trick-or-treaters. They
Yeah.
come from all over. They park and then
Yeah, people
walk in.
people
so.
bring them from other areas.
I mean, we could
which is
make
fine.
We'd have to start them now, probably.
Now,
Start making
the
bags.
way I'm making them, we should have started last Halloween. Okay, so, oh, and the other thing is, don't do as I do as I say, because you want to ink these before you put them together. And if you don't, which I 9 times out of 10 forget to do, I just put a piece of scrap paper down there and then ink around the edges. And when you're cutting them out, and I noticed I didn't pay close attention on this one, when you're cutting them out, cut to the outside of the tracing line, the cutting line, and then you won't have that little bit of black there. But it doesn't really make any difference. Kids aren't going to notice. They'll be tearing these open and nothing flat. But But they make super cute little things, and it's just, these are just on tracing paper. So I shouldn't say we processed the designs, put the designs together, and made sure that they came out nice and clear like this on very inexpensive copy paper. Because you know, this is something that the kids are going to enjoy for a few minutes, and you're not going to want to spend a lot of money on specialty papers. So you can see how clear they come out and how they look just on, this is probably the most expensive copy paper you can get.
Inexpensive.
Inexpensive. Did I say expensive?
Expensive.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
No more candy for you.
I know. God, I'm flying. Anyway, inexpensive copy paper that you can buy. And they look great. And like I say, we purposely did them that way because we want them to print out really good. And you don't have to do anything to them when you print them out. They're just ready to go, just like they are. Okay, let's ink the top of this a little bit. Okay, now also we made some little stickers to put on them, and these are 1-inch stickers. In the kit, you get 3 different sizes. You get 2 big ones, or 1 big one, in case I don't know what you might make with that, but something. And then you get the 1-inch and the 3/4 inch. So it's up to you what size you'd like to use, but on this one, I'm going to put a 1-inch. And you could use your 1-inch circle punch to cut these out if you wanted to. We just cut them out by hand. Okay, and you just put your little sticker on the back there, and you're good to go. But they make really cute little treat bags. Very inexpensive and really simple to put together. Trust me. I know it doesn't look like it, but it is. Now also, we're going to do another video here in a few minutes, and this little kit will be for sale in our Etsy shop, like I mentioned before. But we also have another kit that we have that we're listing today, and it's our September freebie, and it also is treat bags. It's a little more. It's not as, I would say. What would you say, Debbie? A little more adult than these. Yeah.
Teen or adult.
Yeah, teen or adult. Well, these are, I think these could be teen.
Oh, yeah.
Well, our little
Either.
preteenie, she likes them.
likes them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, she was the one, I think, what'd she say? The bat is her favorite. Yeah. But anyhow, so check us out for that. We're going to list them both today so that we can get them up in time so everybody has time to craft with them for the holiday. So I guess that's it for this video. We're just doing a short one, and hopefully the candy holds out to the next video. If you don't see candy in the next video, you'll know why we ate it. Okay. See you guys later.